Now that we're in self-improvement month and going into the fall, we want to make sure our skin has everything it needs to combat all of the challenges that may be thrown at it. With the holidays coming up, we're going to see more breakouts because we're often more stressed, we're not eating as well as we normally do, and we're not sleeping as well as we do. So with that in mind, we want to make sure we have a product that can address those issues. I'm very excited about the Roche-Posay new Effaclar Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment. It's really been formulated with a triple acid complex of salicylic acid, glycolic acid, as well as a microexfoliating lipohydroxy acid. That's a huge mouthful, but what it really works to do is not only address those blemishes you have when you wake up and you have something, it helps dry those out, but it also works to prevent new ones that you haven't gotten yet. What I love about this product is they also have put niacinamide in there to help with overall skin texture and tone. So not only with consistent use are you going to see less blemishes and breakouts, but also going forward, you'll see that it helps with more of the scars that you'll see post-acne, as well as better pore size and overall skin health. This product is incredibly accessible, which I love about it. It's available for $39.99 at laroche-posay.us. You also can get it at Ulta, Target, and drugstores nationwide. The next thing that my patients ask me a lot about in the fall is how do I deal with that dry skin? As the radiators get turned up and the temperature drops, the skin is going to feel more dry. One of the tips that I give is make sure you take baths and showers with slightly less hot water, but also they want a product that they can actually put on their skin that's going to help it feel good and trap in the moisture. Jergens has a new deep conditioning shea and cocoa butter blend moisturizer that's a full body product that's amazing to put on, especially after the bath or shower, to trap in that moisture. This one was specifically made for more melanated skin, especially those that are prone to dark spots. They have been intentional about putting products in there, naturally derived African shea butter, vitamin E, as well as vitamin B3 that deeply hydrate, as well as even out the skin tone. Consistency is really important with any of these, so if you use it for at least 4 weeks, you're going to see that evening. This product is $7.99 and available at Walmart and CVS. So with both of these products, you will go into the fall armed with everything you need to combat some of the skin problems that you may confront. Also, you want to make sure that you are getting that good sleep that you need, that you're drinking the water that you need, that even though there may be a smorgasbord at a table for Thanksgiving, that you're making smart choices, because really a lot of these things are addressed from the inside out. So that hydration, drinking at least 8 glasses of water, as well as, again, the healthy eating that's going to help minimize the blemishes.